Hey guys, Omar with ABC Austin Service Express, and we're installing a package unit today. And here is the new one in the truck here. And here is there's the old one, back of my truck.
Stuff off the side of it,
Okay.
so it'll fit.
And I got the guys up there, and we're gonna load this on the back of my truck here, so able to take it for recycling. So call us for AC heater and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. Okay. Hey, we got some good 10-year warranty on parts, 10-year warranty on labor, and up to 10-year warranty on financing. Okay. 512-448-0532. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.